your party, this is your day. You are the star, you lead the way. If you go crazy, we'll follow you. So let it go, do what you do. Birthday party, birthday party, birthday party. Let's get down, upside down. Break out the cake, break out the clown. Let's get outrageous, let's raise the roof. This celebration is all for you. Birthday party, birthday party, birthday party, birthday party.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you.
Tol, Michael, from Taguig to Canada, and now you're in States. Happy blessed 40th birthday. Welcome to the club. I don't have a lot of memories nung high school tayo. But kahit nasa States ka na, or even though we only spent 4 years sa high school, I cherish those memories. I don't have a lot of memories, I said, but I have this from our high school. So, yan yung pictures na high school natin, and I have that in my photo album. So,
Mike, happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s Club. Proud ako sa mga sa mga achievements mo. Ingat palagi at stay healthy.
Happy birthday po Tito Mike. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday po Tito Mike. Stay pogi.
Happy birthday!
Tanda ko pa nung tayo matagal na panahon na lumipas, pero happy birthday, I miss you.
Happy birthday!
happy birthday!
Palagi kang nasa puso namin.
Ingat kayo with family.
Bye!
Punta kami dyan!
Punta kayo dito.
Lagi na!
Uy, Pam! Happy na, birthday pa! 2 bats na yan sa Angkulo. Happy birthday, Pam! Tiny Pam, happy birthday. Ingat dyan palagi. God bless you and your family. Bye!
Uy, pre, balita ko birthday mo daw ah. Hi, Amar, happy birthday. Happy 21st birthday. Kamusta kayo dyan? I hope everything is alright. Sana soon magkita-kita tayo ulit. Reunion ng mga papampams. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Pre, happy birthday! Pre, thank you, pre. Miss ka na namin, pre. Tingnan mo, kaya nandito kami ngayon para sa'yo to. Happy birthday, pre. Happy birthday, pre. Panalo ka.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike. May all your dreams and wishes come true. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday.
Insan, happy birthday. Insan, happy birthday. Insan, happy birthday. Insan, happy birthday.
Hi Michael. Happy birthday. You're so blessed. You're so very blessed. This day is a gift from God. Be happy, be blessed, and make the most of it. I know you will have a blast for this day because this comes only once in a lifetime, once a year. So please be happy with your family, with Joyce, Kaiser, and Kayla, with other loved ones. Be joyful. Fill the day with laughter, with love, and smile. Your so lucky. Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Michael! May the good Lord bless you with good health, long life, and more success. We love you! Love you! I love you!
Blessed birthday, Mike. Enjoy your day. Lagi magdadasal. And ingat lagi dyan. Miss ka na namin.
Roll sound!
Sound production, take 2.
Blessed birthday, Ninong Mike. Enjoy your day and always pray. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless you more. Happy birthday, Kuya Mike. Happy birthday, Michael. We love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike!
Hi, Mike. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike! Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday kayo, Mike.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike! Happy birthday, Kuya Mike!
Happy birthday, Mike. God bless.
Kuya Mike!
Happy birthday! Siyempre kailangan may view of Dubai. Happy birthday! Grabe, 40. Well, anyway, life begins at 40, pero I wish you all the desires of your heart. I wish you good health. I am so happy seeing you thriving now. So happy na nangyayari na yung mga pinagkukentuhan lang natin dati, mga pinapangarap natin dati. So I'm so happy and proud of you. Lahat ng wins mo, wins ko din. Alam mo yan. Ayun, I wish to see you soon. 6 years na tayo hindi nakikita. So I wish to see you soon. And yeah, ingat ka parate. Hello to everyone. And I love you. Ingat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Emar!
We just want to say thank you for everything that you have done for us, and we wish you all the best. We declare blessings and promotion and favor upon you on your, not just for your birthday, but for your entire life and for your family.
Happy birthday, brother. God bless you always. Alam ko, naka-prepare na ni Joyme yung bike mo, nakabalot na. Saya, you have something to say to Tito Emma?
I hope that this like your new year will be the best.
Yes. Happy
Happy birthday, Emma. God bless.
Hi, Mike. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Paano ba yan? 40 ka na, tol. Matanda ka talaga. We wish you a prosperous birthday. See you soon, tol. Ingat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya! I love you!
Happy birthday, Tito Michael. God bless you. Hope to see you soon.
Sanay ka mag-settle. Say happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike. We hope to see you soon, inshallah.
Happy birthday, Mike. May God continue to bless you and your family always. Hope to see you soon.
Regards to the family, Tito Ed, Tito Sally, Chingay, Joy, and the kids.
I'd also take
Mama.
Mama. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kuya Michael. Happy 40th birthday to my favorite cousin. Hi, Celine. Happy 40th birthday, Kuya, and 4 decades of awesomeness. I wish you happiness and good health, and remember, you're not getting older. You're just getting better, and I hope to see you and your family soon, or you can come and visit us here in Melbourne, Australia. Look after yourself and God bless you. I miss you all. Happy 40th. Cheers.
Mike, happy birthday. 40 ka na. Grabe. Parang kailan lang, no? Parang kailan lang tayo yung laging magkalaro dati. Tapos lagi mong binubuli si Maru, di ba? Tapos tayo magkasama mo natutulog ng katabi ni nanay. Tapos ano pa? Pag uuwi daddy mo nun sa Tita Selly, tawag mo Tito Ed, ginagaya mo ako. Yun lang, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health syempre. Tapos ingat kayo dyan. Uwi na kayo, miss na namin kayo. Yung dalawang bata, kamusta naman? Sige na, bye-bye na. Here.
Kuya Mike, happy birthday, idol. Kamusta ka dyan? Gusto ko lang sabihin na idol kita, Kuis. Tandaan mo yan. Kahit na dati, ginawa mo lang akong praktisan ng injection mo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na salamat sa lahat ng mga naituro mo. At sa mga kalokohang naituro mo. I wish you more blessings and good health, Kuis. Ingat kayo dyan ng pamilya mo. At kapag umuwi ka, chat ka lang. Kung gusto mo mag-shot. Happy birthday, Kuis.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take 1.
2.
Oy! Sound production, take 2.
Ano? Paano? Oh, paano?
Happy birthday, Mike, ha?
Oh,
Happy birthday, Mike!
oh, game ulit. Oh, practice. Game. Paano? Oh, paano?
Sino una mo tawa eh? Oh, 1, 2.
Oh.
Sino ba magtitri?
Hindi ganito. Una, kayo muna. Tapos, sabay-sabay na. Happy birthday, Mike.
Hindi matapos.
Grabe, purong tawa. Natulog na si Ray, oh.
Wala kayo matulog, Ray. Saan kayo?
Action! Okay na. 1, 2,